How to add featured videos and photos on Facebook. In order to do that, let's first head over right here to this icon, which is our profile icon. And then what we can do is we can head over and click on this edit profile. Once you have clicked on that, scroll down right here until you can see this highlight. Click on try it, and then just choose in here the features or the photos or videos that you want to use. For example, I'll head over and then use this photos right here. And then once I have selected them, I just need to click on next. And then, for example, for this, I'll head over and then title it as feature. So you can also include in your video if you want to. Head over and click on save. Then this will upload this onto my feature. So once it's done uploading, you should be able to see it on your actual homepage. As you can see right now, it's saving it. And as you see, it's been added on your featured. So that's how you add featured videos and photos on Facebook. Hope we helped.